Imagine yourself in this 2017 Buick Cascada. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: air deflector, front seats, air deflector, rear seats, convertible roof, folding, acoustically and thermally insulated, convertible top color, black and fog lamps. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.